normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. And I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Right. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? Wow.
How sweet it is to be a god.
Isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way.
Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah. You know what? We're gonna go right there.
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
Think I hit something.
What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much.
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that some bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Pause. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. Much better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. Alright. Well, let's continue on our way.
Coordinates received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that.
Coordinates received.
Okay. Yeah. Don't know why there's...
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think... I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, well, you aim for the head.
Roger.
We're gonna go over here.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Thank you for dropping that shout-out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
And... if I turn off a medium pulse? Medium... yeah, well... hold on. There we go. LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
What are you doing? Glad those PPCs missed. Oh. You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. So, fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. But... it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well... made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
And... I could... I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
Rolling.
I just... something tells me they're having a very bad day. Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Alright, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh.
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow ass Atlas. Move up that way.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor. I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend.
Copy that.
Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces. In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
That
You
means
bet
the
that.
shooting is gonna start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name. Go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. Like, who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4.
Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go Phantom.
Heads now.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. Oh yeah, she did. Aim.
Acknowledged.
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Look. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, Blood Asp. We'll go with this. we'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. You... If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. Hey, I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
That. Rent as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you!
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because... I mean...
I hope we can salvage that.
Well... That took care of that, I guess.
I copy.
Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Where the Burke? I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what?
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Kit Fox is going to be target A. Okay, so... Hey! Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Sir, I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop... Okay. Well... Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret... Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
We will let loose on this cougar.
Target.
Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh, yes. Get more treats. Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the fire moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that.